something?
Me too.
What that mean, me too? Hashtag me too?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. I mean that's like the girlfriend side joint. You know what I'm saying?
Matey would be what you call side chick. Parp on the ends. Me and my friend them a parp on the ends.
I'm oblivious. I don't know what that means.
Come on, try. You can do it.
It sounds like it's over. We at the end.
I really didn't think I'd be so bad at this. Spice, tell me the answer.
Parp on the ends. That means hanging out with your friends.
Right, why is it so difficult? In Atlanta, it's like we in the hood.
Good as.
Good ass. So that's just not the Jamaican way for saying here are my goodies.
Sound like you almost kind of saying good ass or good answer.
I'm on this shit. It means the attractive woman.
Good job. It means everything about you is great. Like you're good. Like, hey, good girl. If everything about you is good, you have a good education, you have a car, you mean you're good as. Steve Fisher, okra body.
Your bad built ass smell like fish. Is that not what it means?
Steamed fish over body. It seemed like steamed fish over rice.
What does that mean? You know when you're Jamaican, you have to eat all about steamed fish, you have to put the hook. I have to have that good, strong body there. So if you're bold, if you are, a vibrant person, you're very bold and you believe in yourself. It doesn't matter your size or your shape, you just know so you look good. It means that you have a steamed fish and okra body. You're well proper, you're healthy, you're strong, you look good, you have all of the something there about you. Yes, goodie!
Oh, it's the opposite. That mean you got a healthy, in shape body. Well, I'm fine as y'all hoes, man. I never call me okra or fish. Cause bitch, I will fry your ass.
Check for yourself.
Can I get in a sentence? Come on, you gotta give me a sentence, B.
Take away yourself. If a girl come chat up in my face, me just have to tell her, say, look at a girl, take away yourself.
I mean,
Oh, check on yourself. What the hell? What that mean? Like, check yourself?
I'm not dancing everything for this one. No, it means like go on.
That mean move from yourself, like get away from me, like get the fuck out of my face.
I know this stuff. Come on now.
Girl clown. Some man are going at them a bad man, but them a girl clown.
Yeah, it's kind of like you're saying girl clone.
Can I phone her from you?
I don't know, trying to pass. So girl clown is a man who is ruled by his woman. So she can't tell him to do anything. Wash the dishes, cook dinner, clean the house, whatever. That's what we call it. I'm girl clown.
Okay, girl clown. Okay. Makes sense. Gal clown.
Give me our next one.
The bright and face and out of
right face the outer arm. Is that like a fly chick? Or is that like a nagging chick? Is this an out of order chick and this bright and fit? I guess that's a bad chick. Is it?
You have to ask somebody else.
Bright face and out of order. Like you wrong. You wrong on all levels. And you think and so how dare you? How dare you just diss me like this?
You got it. When you're trying to disrespect me to my face, or you're trying to disrespect me, or you're trying to be disrespectful, I can just look at you and say, you're bright and face, you're out of.
I got that one. Give me my credit. Spice is not the only one from the Caribbean.